Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about how to handle alert dialog box in Cypress. So there are different types of alert box. Number one, like simple alert box, JavaScript simple alert box. Second one is JavaScript come from alert box. Third one is JavaScript prompt alert dialog box. Okay, so we will learn about one by one. We are going to see what is JavaScript simple alert dialog box. Our website is there. So this is the website of that too. We have all three alert box. So first is alert box. We click on this alert box. This is one more pop-up will come. This is not pop-up, it's alert box. This is JavaScript alert box will come and we have to click on that. For in the Cypress, when we want to click on this button, it's automatically directly take the OK button. No need to go to the alert box. We have to select the alert box. It by default alert box we select. It's very simple. So we'll see. We'll go to VS. We'll create the file. Okay, here right click. Okay, we can mention the JavaScript, JavaScript alert alert di alert dialog di dialog box dot cy dot js. This is our file. Now we'll write the test case. Okay, first is the describe block, and this is not required, by default is coming, and handling alert dialog box in Cypress, we can say. Okay, we are checking Cypress, so we are checking. Okay, inside that we have to create the it blocks. Okay, first it block is there a JavaScript simple alert dialog box. Okay, this is simple. Simple means as we discussed, like when we want to click on that button alert box, so by default it is select. This is like this is OK button, no need to click on the OK button, directly it will click. So first we'll take this one, cy.widget cy.widget cy.widget. We are visiting the particular URL. Okay, now second one is like we have to click on this button, so we have to click, right click, go to that inspect, we have to select a particular selector. Okay, this one, this. Okay, we'll take and checking, it's matching 1 out of 1. This is the correct selector. Okay, you can see taking this one, cy dot get. Okay, dot click. It means like auto only click, no need to do anything. So here it will be like message will come, you triggered and handle the alert dialog, right? So we can check this one is coming or not. We accessory we are adding cy dot contents, we can use contents means like it is there or not, dot should command. This is already learned these things. Okay, now we will check JavaScript basic test case. Basic test case like JavaScript simple alert box. Let's see, we'll run the test. Cypress. Okay, npm npx Cypress open. Cypress is opening. Our test file is JavaScript alert box dialog box. Okay, we can select the file JavaScript Alert dialog box. You can see our browser is launching. Okay, see here coming you triggered and handle alert box, and is coming content you triggered and alert the you triggered and handle that alert box. So it is super fast, like it is too fast and we are not able to get it is correct or not. If you want to see these things, so you can keep here delay of 3 seconds, okay, for checking purpose. Now you can see, okay, it's not coming the message. After click on this message is coming. You can see again, see waiting for the click on this button. After click directly is coming. See alert is by default select, by default okay is there. Okay click is there when you want to click on the alert buttons. It is a Cypress functionality. Okay, this is related to that. Only if we have only one options, like if you click on here, only one is there. Okay, this is like simple alert box. Now we are going to the second alert, which is related to JavaScript confirm alert box. I will explain about that second one. This is the confirm box. If you see the confirm box, we know when you click on that, it's okay by default is checking and it will come these things. But when you want to select no, what the steps? Okay is okay, but cancel for that we have to check this one should come. Okay, so we will handle these things. So confirm box. Okay, we'll take this test case, same test case, it blocks, and here we can mention confirm alert box dialog box. There's the OK button. You want to click on the OK, right? And what is the selector of this one? Selector confirm example, right? Okay, this is a confirm example. We change the two things. Selector also we changed. Okay, here till here is okay. Okay, and you can see we use the contents. Okay, and suppose if you want to don't want to use the content, and if you want to use selector, you can use the selector also for this confirm buttons. I will show you. So here we need to use this one inner line confirm explanations. Okay, ID is there, confirm explanation we can use. Okay, got it. Confirm explanation of this one, right? You can take this one, and here we can use cy dot get. Okay, this is okay. Dot should is there, and we have to check the text. Okay, so have dot text is there, comma, what the text will come for okay. Okay will come like no, this is a false. We have to check for okay. Okay means you click okay, confirm value true. This is our selector. Okay, now we will run the test case. We will see what will happen. Okay, your test case is running here. Okay, 3 seconds delay. Second test case again 3-second delay is here to understand about that, and the test case is getting far. You can see we are checking the two assertions. One is like through that ID assertion we are taking the text. Second one is content assertions. These are two way to understand. Okay, now third one till here is okay, like Java like Cypress is handling by default okay, but you want to click on the cancel. So how to do that is an important point. Okay, so we'll copy this one and mention okay, this is a cancel button. Okay, cancel. Okay, and this is okay. After the click we have one function is there, cy dot on. Cy dot on is a function, And here we are using that confirm. So window colon confirm. Okay, this is a sentence should be the same. This is a function equal to false. It means we are selecting the reverse value, means like it will be like we have to click on the next cancel. For cancel we have to use that this type of line of code, otherwise it's not required. We'll see cancel means it should come like this way. You have click cancel confirm return button. So here we can have a value of that. We can copy these things. Okay, okay, fine. Here also we can check it should be the correct one. Okay, so in third scenario we are cancelling on the buttons. Okay, first test case is getting passed. Second test case we already saw, this is also getting passed. Third one we are checking 3 seconds and see, you can see you click cancel and confirm return false. You can see confirm, yeah, you click cancel confirm return false. It means we are click on the cancel button. So like this we have to handle for the cancel. Okay, you make sure you have to know. Okay, okay, third one related to that JavaScript prompt alert dialogs box. That is like little challenging for this. This is alert box. So alert box prompt. Okay, prompt means like this will come, and here okay is there, and second thing cancel is there. Okay, but what will happen here? The text box also there. Suppose you want to add the study supreme. Okay, and we have to click on OK. So it is coming like you click OK prompt return study supreme, like this is coming. Okay, so that is we have to assert, enter the assert. So it's a entering part is like totally different, and if you want to enter, there is a prompt box want to handle, that is like little different way to handle. Okay, so let's start. We'll copy this one for OK na, OK button. Okay, okay, so this is confirm, this is the prompt alert box. Okay, and this is okay, and select every time we have to say selected, that is not required, only value will take. Okay, and what is the x path of that selector of that particular prompt? If you are going to the prompt, this is a selector, prompt has selector. Okay, okay, this is okay. Now okay, so what will happen, we want to store value. Okay, in that window something like something you have to enter. Okay, so first we have to think about that what we have to enter in that text box. This text box is there. In this text box what we have to enter here, that one we have to understand. First we have to think about the which text you want to enter here. So that one we have to define first step before click on that. Okay, so we can see if you click, that is just like a pop-up. This is a window pop-up is there. This is a window pop-up, yeah, window. This we can say the alert box is there now. See, so we have a one function like a window. So through window we can handle. So we can just cy dot window. Okay, dot then function we have to use, then function what we have to use, prompt is the prompt window win, we can mention prompt win. Okay, and like this. Okay, and we can mention like cy dot stub is the one more function, stub. And what we have to do is the prompt win comma, this is related to prompt. So prompt test case prompt, and dot return is the one function to enter any text inside the text box in the alert box only. Okay, like study study studies. Okay, and we can say supreme. Okay, till here we entered. After entered, what will happen? We click on that, it is enter successfully. Okay, now we want to like click is there. Suppose here supreme is study supreme we mentioned. Okay, so you want to, it will come, you click OK and prompt return buttons. Okay, okay, let's see one example. Supreme study. Okay, is coming with, you are coming getting this pop text box. If you select OK, so you want to assert this one. Okay, and here also same. Okay, fine. Let's see, we'll run the test case. Okay, we cancel this one. Okay, we'll say test case running. Normal JavaScript. Okay, so I kept the 3 seconds because of that is like little slower because total 12 seconds wait is there. And this is a, okay, step is not a function. Okay, we'll see what is the actual function of that. We'll see. Okay, so in that case we will remove that. We'll remove the 3 seconds of that. Okay, we'll remove the all the delete. Okay, I save again same functions and is getting fast and remove that all the delays. So you can see here we are checking. You click prompt return study supreme. That is you are taking the test case like asserting that particular test. Okay, establish the functions and we use correctly. After save only it is working fine. Now last one is cancel button. We have to do the cancel. Okay, and in cancel what we have to do, only one thing we have to do for cancel. We have to here, we have to add the null. If you are adding the null, it is just considered as a cancel. And if you want to see here, click on the no and we are getting this text message. Okay, and here we want to assert this text message. Okay, now you can see the test case. See, total 1 2 3 4 5 test cases running in 3 seconds, and you can see that is coming. You click cancel and prompt return null. Okay, so this is related to that alert box, alert dialog box in Cypress. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.